In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Asana. Whether you're managing a team or just organizing your personal tasks, using forms can significantly streamline the way you gather and process information. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open Asana and navigate to the specific project where you want to create your form. Once you've accessed your project, look for the Customize button. This is your gateway to personalizing your project to suit your needs. Click on it and a menu will pop up. From there, select Forms. You'll notice an Add button, which is where the magic happens as you start building your form. Now you're ready to add different elements to your form. Start by clicking on Add, and you'll see options such as adding a new question, heading, attachment, or field. These are the building blocks of your form, allowing you to tailor it precisely to your needs. If you're collecting specific data, fields can be your best friend. For this tutorial, let's focus on two essential fields, priority and status. When you click to add these fields, you'll immediately see them incorporated into your form. Priority and status help you track the urgency and the current state of each form submission. This is particularly useful for projects with multiple tasks and deadlines. After integrating these fields, you can move on to other customizable sections like form descriptions. This section allows you to provide context or instructions for form users, ensuring they understand what information they need to provide. Furthermore, you have the option to add a section for someone's name and email address. Collecting this information can be incredibly helpful for communication and follow-up purposes. Once these fields are added, Asana lets you adjust their order by simply dragging and dropping them into your preferred position. This flexibility ensures that your form is organized exactly how you want it. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created a form in Asana tailored to your specific project needs. Forms in Asana provide a systematic way to collect information and keep your projects organized. Don't forget to review your entries and ensure everything looks good before finalizing. Before we wrap up, remember that creating efficient forms is all about understanding what information you need and making it as straightforward as possible for the users. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on how to make the most out of your project management tools. Thank you for watching.